As with all living things, trees have a life cycle. From conception, seed, to birth, sprout, to infancy, seedling, to juvenile, sapling, to adult, mature, and to elderly, decline, and then finally to death, snag, or rotting log. Because trees are renewable, the cycle begins either artificially through planting or naturally with regeneration of new seed.
Seeds come in a wide variety of shapes, weights, colors, and sizes, depending on the species. Wind, water, animals, and people disperse seeds to a wide range of landscapes, including the forest floor, open fields, yards, rocky slopes, and roadsides. Anywhere the conditions are favorable for germination, seeds will sprout and grow. An embryo is within each seed, but not all seeds will germinate. The ones that do are called sprouts. The sprout persistently grows and begins to develop woody characteristics. The soft green stem begins to harden, change color, and develop a thin, protective bark. The root grows and branches down and out, resembling an upside-down underground tree with a flattened top. The majority of the tree's roots are in the upper portions of the soil to absorb available water and nutrients, but also to breathe. Like us, tree roots need oxygen or they will die. A sapling is then sprouted, and a sapling is a small tree usually between 1 and 4 inches in diameter. This is when the tree begins to mature. With favorable conditions, a sapling will continue to develop into a mature tree. During this stage in the cycle, each tree will grow as much as its species and site conditions will permit. In addition, flowers develop, reproduction ensues, fruits form, and seed dispersion can now occur.
The tree is never harvested. Over the course of time, it continues to provide many other benefits, but eventually will begin to decline. At this point, the tree's survival is determined more by external stresses rather than the tree's vigor. These stresses take a toll on the tree, making it more susceptible to insects and diseases, and it eventually succumbs to a casual agent or the pressures of competition from other more vigorously growing plants adjacent to the tree. The end result is no surprise. The lifespan of a tree is as wide-ranging as the number of tree varieties, yet death is inevitable. Injury, drought stress, followed by disease, rot, root dieback, coupled with a lightning strike and insect infestation is just one of many scenarios. Yet the cycle does not end here. A standing dead tree, also called a snag, still plays a vital role in the life cycle. Decomposition takes time. A snag slowly breaks down and returns nutrients to the soil as small limbs, bark, and branches fall to the ground. Eventually, the snag will fall to the ground and gradually return nutrients to the soil, where they are taken up again by other trees by providing for their own growth, and the cycle begins again.